Hello everyone, welcome to you all in my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your Gmail password. Okay, so today in this video, I'm going to show you the perfect method to recover your Gmail account. If you are also trying to recover your Gmail account, then this is the right video for you. And after watching this entire video only, you will be also able to recover your Gmail account. So without any delay, let's start. Okay, so if you want to recover your Gmail account without any recovery mobile number or any recovery email address, so first of all you have to click in here. Okay, and then after that just you have to click in the manage accounts on this device. You can see in the last. Okay, so I am just tapping there, and now you can see here are few email account which is available on my mobile device. Okay, then I have to click in the add account. So I am just clicking in the Google. Okay, now it is telling me that checking info, and I have to put my pin here. Okay, so now you can see you will get this option, right? So I have to put my email ID here. So I am just putting my email ID here. So that is okay. Okay, so I put my email account here, and I am just clicking in the next. So after putting my email ID, so it is asking me to put my Gmail password, but I don't have my Gmail password. So if I click in the next, so it is showing me the wrong password, right? So now I have to do one thing to recover my Gmail account. So that is forgot password. So after clicking in the forgot password, it will redirect me in another window. So it is telling me that Google couldn't verify this account belongs to you. Try another later or go to 𝗳𝗂𝗁𝗲/𝗵𝗵𝗿𝗀. It is telling me like that. And just you have to take the screenshot of this screen. Okay, so after taking the screenshot, so now you can see here in my bottom side, I took a screenshot. After that, just you have to open your Play Store. Okay, and just you have to tap in the top side. Okay, then after that, just you can see here there is one option available, that is help and feedback in the last option. Okay, so just you have to click here in the help and feedback. Okay, then after that you will get few things. Then after that, just you have to click in the contact us to recover your Gmail account password. So I am clicking in the contact us. Okay, then after that, so now you will get few options. First of all, it is telling me that what can we help with. Okay, so I am telling that I forgot. You have to type I forgot my Gmail password. Okay, then you have to click in the next. After that, so it is giving a few options: verify your identity, account suspended, add account, play game, sign in issue, open profile, or other. Okay, so I am just clicking in the other, and just you have to put few options. Okay, so for example, play pass, play balance in gift card, Google Play apps. So I am just clicking here in the Google Play apps. Then just you have to click in the next step. Okay, so it is providing me a few options, that is how to recover your Google account or Gmail. It is giving you another option: require a password or authentication for Gmail account recovery. It is telling me that use for fixed app password. It is giving me different types of things, but it is not necessary. Just you have to tap in the next step. Okay, so now we can see here it is giving me one option, that is contact option, and you have to click in the community. Okay, so after clicking in the community, so now you can see here you will get this option. Okay, then after that, just you have to explain the problem you are facing, what you have tried. Okay, so I am just giving here, dear Google. Okay, dear Google, I Okay, so I'm just typing here, I forgot my Google account password and I forgot my recovery email and mobile number also. So hoping that Google team will help me to recover my Gmail account. Okay, and you have to provide your Gmail account here. My Gmail account what, and just you have to type here your Gmail account. Okay, so I'm just putting my Gmail account here. Okay, then after that just you have to type, hoping that you will help me to resolve this problem as soon as possible. Okay, you will do like this, and you will type waiting for your response. Okay, and you will type here regards, and you will keep okay, in this way. Okay, then after that you have to upload your screenshot. Before we took a screenshot, right? So that's why you have to upload a screenshot here. So I'm clicking here. Okay, now I am just clicking this photo. So it is telling me that attachment has been added. Then after that just you have to come down and just you have to select the category. So I am just selecting the Google Play apps. You have to choose the platform that is Android, and I would like to just you have to type fix an issue or problem. Okay, then you have to click in the next step. Okay, then after that it is telling me that protect by reCAPTCHA. Okay, then just you have to click in the post. Okay, so after a few days the Google team will give you response as soon as possible. So it is telling you that remove personal information before posting. We have found the following personal information in your post that is violate our forum's content policy. Okay, so just again I am tapping here. Okay, so I am just removing this one. Okay, and I am just coming down and I am clicking the next step, and I am clicking the post. So hoping that you get few ideas. In this way you can also recover your Gmail account. So I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye, see you again.